Yes, so good morning, everyone. How's it going? Okay, nice to see you again. And today we will continue our topic, the topic traveling with the new skill. In the last lesson, we have learned about the reading test. In this test, you learn about some techniques and strategy to help you study reading skill efficiently. And today we move on to the different skill. This is writing skill. And I heard from some student that this is really hard skill for you because you have to think about ideas. You have to find out some expression and phrases that you can use for your writing. Because some of the time uh, you cannot remember some topic related vocab you may use for your topic. But that's okay. In our lesson today, I will try my best to break it down and give you some strategy and techniques to make your class become much this kind of skill become much easier. All right. So I will ask you some quick questions to remind about some vocab in the last reading test, and it may be useful for your assignment today. Okay. So the first question. So which phrases or collocations or words you remember about the last reading test? Okay, I will give you 30 seconds to remind the vocab that you have learned, or you can ask your partners to give you some idea, and then I will pick up someone to answer the question. All right. Okay, are you ready? Andy, so can you give me one phrases or like a collocation you have remembered about the last reading test? Okay. Nice. The beautiful beach. The common. Uh, wow. Crystal water. Right. Catherine. Nice. You can say the green jungles. Yeah. Or you can say you want to try green forests. Yeah. This is also the good option for your writing. Aziz, do you have any idea for me? Uh, seafood. Great job. Yeah, you mentioned about food. Okay, so I think everybody remember a lot of words in the last reading test. So I also have the second question for you guys. Let me think. So what is the interesting part or interesting thing you want to try when you take on an island trip? Okay, yeah, that imagine when you have a chance to go with your partner or with your friend to an island, and what kind of food you want to try when you go on this island. Okay, now let's go to Catherine. You want to go diving. That's a really good expression because this really popular activity you can do on an island. You can go diving and see it underwater. You can see a lot of fish, a lot of coral reefs, and something like that. Aziz, can you give me a point? You can mention about food. Yeah, food is really good choice for like someone who want to go somewhere to travel. You want to try fresh fruits? Yeah, in some tropical islands, you can try a lot of fresh and delicious fruits. For example, like a orange, like a coconut, and something like that. It's really good, like a thing you can try when you take on a trip. Okay, so I think it's enough for your one more activity, and we move on to our writing task today. Uh, so to help you guys easily follow my instruction, I will try to break down my lesson plan into some small parts. First of all is brainstorming and outlining. Estimating this point, we try to generate some idea by yourself about your trip and the trip. You can like search some idea on Google or like ask support with your friend or ask directly to me. I will try to give you some like ideas and inspire you by different things for your writing. And on my hand, right now I have some piece of papers. And on this paper, I will have this is a template or a mind map. Yeah, mind map is really good one you can use to generate idea. And on this mind map, you can see we have the name of your topic in the middle of the paper, your trip, island trip. And around this bubble, I have some categories. The first one is weather. You can describe the weather, the trip. The next one is what kind of food you want to try there. The next one, activities. Some interesting activity you want to do or you want to enjoy on this island. The next one is people. People include the people you will go with or like the people you will meet on the trip. The next one is size, some beautiful sceneries or places you can admire there. The final one is feelings. After the trip, what do you feel? And I will give you 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes to think about the ideas and try to fill out on this template. Okay, if you don't have any idea, just like ask me. I will try to support you in your assistance. Okay, time 5 minutes, ready. Okay. Okay. Wow. Great job. You mentioned about sunny and breezy. Wow, such a great collocation. Andy, you mentioned about the friendly people. Okay. The good tour guide. Okay, the good tour guide will support your trip and make your trip become much easier. Food, you want to try barbecue. Yeah, barbecue is good one. Some activities, go swimming, go knuckling. Yeah, knuckling is really good point, good phrases when we mentioned about the trip. Uh, Sunbathing. Yeah, great job. Okay, class. Time's up. Your time finishes. All right. And now I will give you uh, some piece of papers, and on this paper, I list some ideas that generated by myself, and you can pick up some ideas on my map for your next assignment. All right. Okay, right here. It's for you, for you, for you, for you. Okay, you can take a look this piece of papers for 1 minute, and we will move on to outlining. In this part, you need to write a paragraph including 7 to 10 sentences. In sentence 1 and 2, you will mention about the name of island. So, where is the island? In the next part, this is a body. You have to mention about the weather, some activities, food, some beautiful places or signs, and the final one is some kind of thing related to people there. And in the final part, that is a conclusion. You can tell me about your feeling after this trip. Okay.